Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? Let's see, it is the 11th of June of 2022, and I didn't do a sound test. Do I sound all right? I might have fucked up. If I'm robot today, that would be real sad. But anyway, we're back for another stream. The plan for today is to do a bunch of miscellaneous open source stuff. A new version of Python landed, so we're going to try and package deadsnakes. There'll probably be a little channel point gamble for if it's going to build successfully. We'll see. We'll see what happens there. I also have a few new project ideas. We'll see what's up with those. DDELSP! Yeah, the overlay's just like super fucked today. Thank you for the resub at 18 months. Holy shit. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Oh, and at tier 3. Fancy. How you doing, DDELSP? I feel like you missed the Monday stream, but it's good to have you back. Welcome. Yeah, I have a new project idea. We'll talk more about that when I get the deadsnakes build working. I've been thinking it's kind of for work, cause yeah, I don't know. I think I can make I think I can make every Python operation at work 3 to 6% faster just by doing a terrible hack. But everyone loves terrible hacks, so we'll look at that later. Whoa, what the fuck is this new view in the Twitch chat? What is this? What the fuck? Oh, is that what Snipsy? Is that what you linked? Yeah, what is this? What is this? But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. Looks like Snipsy and John NV1 were here before the stream started. Hello. DDELSP was first. Kevin is back. Good to see you again, Kevin. How's it going? JJMC, hello. Yeah, Streamlabs is having trouble with the Twitch badges and the emotes for some reason. Oh, it does. What? That's so weird. Support activity feed, is that what it's called? Oh, it is. Huh. Weird. Seems dumb. Now we're gonna hype train. Slyly by! Thank you for the resub at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Ads gotta renew. Twitch. Yeah, well, that's how it goes, I guess. Moomy! Thank you for the bits as well. Also joining in on the scam train. Snipsy's here. Shaz is here. Hello. How was your final? Now that you're done. Exonity. Hello. Moomy. Good to see you again. Summersoft is also here, as is Real Amja. Hello. 6LR61. Hello. There's got to be an easier way to say your name. What do you want me to call you? I know you've been to a few streams now. I can give you a nickname now. Real Amja, thank you for the bits as well. P Wolvet, welcome. Yup. Apparently we sound fine. I can't hear anything. With the appropriate badge. Sounds good. Snipe Bunny has also resubbed at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge too. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Oramus is also here, as is Torafun. Hello. Terrible hacks. Yeah, it's gonna be good, but it's gonna be terrible. We might also just try and change Python. That might be the other way to do it. Mixter Jake has also resubbed. Oh, which gets you the fanciest badge. Congratulations on 2 years. Yes, it has been. Man. Lockdown, eh? Yeah. About the right time. But thank you for the continued support. It's good to see you again. Hello again, Snipe Bunny. Yeah, support activity feed. Very, very strange. I don't know how to feel about that. Lord Ira, hello. Well, just as a question, do you also take care of a server for deadsnakes? I don't know how PVAs work. Fortunately, I don't have to. Launchpad provides free public, what are they fucking called? Debian repositories. Kevin, with 515 bits. Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate it. Were you going for 551? But you goofed. Snipsy says, actually I was first, but it didn't send. Oh no. Wait, what? Well, that you got scammed. You got scammed, Snipsy. That's some bullshit. Yeah, boy, Star-Lord. Welcome, welcome. I feel like somebody with a similar name joined a long time ago, but it is telling me that you were a first-time chatter, so welcome to the stream. Do you know Twitch Prime? Yeah, exactly, Darkroom. Sarcastic Dante is here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Kodran Ha, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. C Complex, welcome back. Good to see you. Did you trigger the train by calling it a scam, or was it the bits? No, it was the bits. But it's Twitch's kind of scammy feature. Oh, generate hype during this limited time period. Look at this timer ticking down. Wouldn't you want to donate some bits to make the number go bigger? But, you know, slightly, what's the word? Toxic's not quite the right. Anti-consumer, I don't know. Manipulative, slightly manipulative tactics. We'll put it that way on Twitch's part. Shan says, finals were rough. Passed 2/3 of the classes for sure. Just waiting for the final back from my probabilities and stats class. Nice, nice. I never want to see Bayesian probabilities again, but they're so useful. Anon has gifted 51 bits. Oh, is the Vim? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I gotta turn Vim bits back on. I'll do it once we're actually writing code. I turned it off for the sponsored stream, and I just never turned it back on. Attention-seeking behavior? It's true. It's true. It's true. I'm sorry, the unique nickname seemed like a good idea before I started watching streams. You can always change it. Yeah, you can change your Twitch name. Not super often, as Kevin has found out, but you can change it. Nibsy says, I didn't notice I can now claim my code review. Oh, I feel like I still owe a bunch too, but people are like, they never come through, you know? This sound is mono? Are you trolling me, Kevin? Are you trolling me again? No, it's showing a stereo for me. It must be your problem. I assume the support activity feed was to try to take some share from the Streamlabs overlay things. Maybe, but it's just so dumb. Yeah. 4L Trap, hello, hello. How long have you been coding? And what advice would you give to someone trying to get into the field? I've been writing code for a real fucking long time. Like 20 years long time. I think my best advice is do projects you're both going to learn, and you're going to be able to demonstrate that you're doing cool stuff. And you'll be motivated to work on them, assuming the projects are relevant here. So, but, yeah. Go figure. Yeah. I wish the hype emojis would be like the original ones, like actually good looking instead of generated by an AI. Yeah, the more recent ones are kind of shit. The original ones are pretty good. I just want haha cat. That's all I want. Is that too much to ask? There was supposed to be an emote for accepting the cookie notice that Juice sent me the sketch for, but they never rolled it out. They never fucking rolled it out, so I never got the cute cookie emote. You collected all the level 2 emotes. Thank you for the hype train chat. Appreciate that. Your boy Starlord says, watch your YouTube videos a lot. Catching you live for the first time. Well, welcome. Glad you enjoy the YouTubes. My favorite part about this new improved Twitch support view, I can still see it behind a hype train modal, but not enough to actually see the info. Oh yeah, it is still there. Oh, that's so dumb. Mr. Jake says, I claimed it a long time ago. I just don't have anything I'd be happy letting you look at. Oh yeah, that happens a lot. Gme4, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Flightby says, I do a code review, but pretty sure once Anthong saw the Buck target file, he would end the review. I have reviewed Buck build before. I have dealt with the Buck build system. Mostly because I had a coworker named Buck, and he's like, wouldn't it be funny if we used the Buck build system? But not really in earnest. Only thing I know would be private TypeScript projects, but code smells like a ghost. Oh no. I've got enough points back for a few reviews, just don't have anything appropriate. Yeah, that's how most of them turn out. Grumpy Dennis, hello, welcome, welcome. Ormus says, I'm about to start a new project, however, maybe sometime in the future. Yeah, I might be about to start a new project too. Which, like, every time I do this, I'm like, oh, I shouldn't make a new project. But then I'm like, what new project? But then I have to maintain this. But new project. So we'll see how that goes. Schwarzchild, hello, hello, welcome back. That's a reason to use book, yeah. I satisfied. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome, welcome. All right, so I think we have a little bit of open source review since last time. Nothing too much. Just a few small things. I accidentally opened a PR. Oh, this is while we were streaming. I accidentally did this while I was I was trying to open a PR from my work account, and I just had two browser windows open and I got confused. What was this? Oh yeah, I was trying out auto fixing from an organization. Doesn't work anymore because GitHub changed permissions for some reason, which is annoying. Orma says, I've been trying to work on a NeoVim plugin, but that's super simple. It needs more work. Also, it's not worth sending in like 8 lines of Lua. Yeah, that's fair. Bill says, a tornado touched down about a third of a mile from my house. Holy shit. Damn, that's a pretty big differential between tornado. Damn, are you alright? Oh, no power, but as long as you're still kicking and everything is alright. Damn, that's scary. Tornadoes are scared. King, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Thank you. Thank you for coming to the stream. Panish Code says, can you share some Python open source projects for beginners? I'm not sure what you mean. I would actually posit that most open source projects can probably be contributed to by beginners. What is the fucking command? This one? Second video? Oh, right, wrong. Wrong playlist. Holy shit, my brain is just like gone. There we go. Wait, no. This one? Yeah, there we go. Check out that video. And he says, now I remember, I sometimes have weird bugs with Pigment not rendering new lines properly. Is it like when you, so, oops. Is it like when you type stuff while it's going? Is this what it looks like? Because there's nothing I can do about that. That's just how terminals work. Damn, MyPy, you taking forever. Is it this? No, it's something else? Weird. Well, next time it happens, then send some output. Had no damage. It was a long path, 14 miles, but a narrow tornado about 100 yards. Oh. Gold9 says, do you think there would be interest in a game meant to teach regex? There are games that teach regex, and I fucking love them. Oh, yeah, we have the domain name already. I fucking love them. They are so fun. We will do... This is not a crossword, this is an exercise in pure regex prowess? What? What? Oh, but I love these so much. Line plus. What do we get over here? So this has to be an L, which means this has to be an M. Line plus. Wait, why is there another regex over here? Oh, these are just easy. Line and aisle. Can't be an S. Vem Sikrishna. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Anything that's not mesh. So it can't be an E. We already know it can't be an S. So it can be I or L. Yeah, I feel like there's two. Oh wait, we got this done here. Can't be an L, so it has to be an I. Mal, so it has to be M-A-L. It can't be L or E, so it has to be an M. Wait, no, it can't be an M. What? It can't be L-E-S or M or H. Can't be L-E-M. Oh, it's supposed to be an A. Lima! Ayo. But yeah, I fucking love these. They're so much fun. We did one that took like hours and hours on stream. We're not gonna do that today though. Are you familiar with the rsync algorithm? I know there's a bug in it that's been there for years due to dealing with like file sizes and M times. But I'm not familiar with like the full algorithm, but sure. What's the question? Armin says, I sent a PR to Black this weekend to improve their docs, which I thought was an easy way to start. Look for open issues that are for docs. Easier gets you to gain. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Next time I make a screen. Okay, sounds good. There's games that teach you Vim too. Yeah, but why would you want those? Hey, what's up, Time Traveler? Hello, hello. Regex crossword? Yeah, a Regex game. You made a Regex game. If it's short enough, we can try it. Sure. Sure. If you want a game to get a reverse engineering binaries, check out micro corruption. Oh. Anthonks might know about it from the Stripe days. I don't think I've heard of this. Kevin says, I did some cool things with JQ yesterday. Elm review, a lintel for Elm, produce an output like this. Produce JSON output. Interesting. Interesting. Why would I do this? Why wouldn't I make human readable output? Ending with Ali, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing today? How was your stream? What were you working on? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. We're going to be doing some of that today. Some of the things that I maintain that you might have heard of are, oh boy, here we go. PyTest, Precommit, Flakehate, PyFlakes, deadsnakes, all repos. Did I say PyTest? Did I say talks? I think I didn't say talks. And like 50 other projects. I currently work at Sentry, and Sentry's open source too, so we do that as well on stream sometimes. But welcome to the stream. How was your stream? What'd you do? Did I miss pre-commit? How did I miss pre-commit? There's no way I missed pre-commit. What? VJ, welcome, welcome. I was watching Anime Valley assemble a mechanical keyboard. Oh, mechanical keyboards are fun. I have, well, this is the largest one that I've assembled. We also have this little itty bitty one. Do the thing, focus. There we go. Little itty bitty mechanical keyboard. This one came pre-assembled, as did this one, but it's a copy paste board. Actually, the story behind this is kind of funny. What's the short version of this story? So at work, when I worked at Lyft, I had installed Linux on my MacBook because I didn't want to deal with macOS, and I had 2 monitors. And when I plugged in 2 monitors to the open laptop, only if the laptop was open, it would crash X11. So I couldn't have 2 monitors connected because, you know, year of Linux on the desktop, blah, blah, blah. But if I had the lid closed, I could plug in 2 monitors and everything worked. And so I was like, ugh, that kind of sucks, but okay, I'll plug in 2 monitors and leave the lid closed. But when the lid was closed, I couldn't play and pause my music using a keyboard button. That is my play pause button. But I could configure to do other stuff as well. Hey, what's up, Dota? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Regex Adventure. Okay, let's see if this is safe to show on stream. Free web version. What the fuck? What is the background here? Free web version. Run game. It's in Unity? What the fuck? Okay, as long as it doesn't have music. Does it have sounds? Oh, it does. We're gonna mute the sound. Okay, we're gonna try out your Regex game. Oh, is Square not Stripe? Yeah. They're basically the same, right? Squawk, squawk. Well, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. They rhyme? Did you try to make them rhyme? No, there's just a lot of Python stuff that sounds the same. Talking about recruiting DevRel and Dev. Nice! Nifty Wifty, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's true. The dot in this image is approximately where I live. Oh. Damn. Got lucky there. How did you find a board with only 2 keys? I googled for it. Mr. Junior, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Actually, more specifically, my friend recommended this board to me. Hey, what's up, more ATI? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. All right, we'll play a few levels. Firefox has the best performance. Oh, good. Good try then, I guess. Change color. I want to be black. There we go. Level select. Sure, I guess we'll play the tutorial. Move using WASD. Okay, alright. The locking needs maybe an animation. Collect purple orbs to enable casting spells using the symbol it contains. Ah shit, I didn't see what symbol it was. Was it dot? I don't know. The Plente PT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Shown in the bottom right. I don't know what symbol this is. Is it dot? Is it comma? Is it slash? I don't know what it was. Press enter, type your spell. Oh. The fuck is my thing? Since your current spell does not target any enemies, you decided not to cast it. What the fuck? How do I get out of this? Dot dot dot. Enter. Oh, I see. I understand. Okay. I understand. To see the usages of symbols you have collected, press tab. Okay. Large crystals will take you to the next level. Whoa. What is this symbol? Are you friend? You are not friend. Heyo. Let's go. Why would I need A if I already have dot? Seems dumb. Why would I bother? Oh, but it also killed the wizard. Oh, and that restarts the fucking level? Damn, that's some bullshit. Okay, well. Alright. Haha. Hey, this is kind of fun. Taco? Why would we bother with anything better than— oh shit! Took some damn there. Alright, we need to oh, it's not like— okay, we have infinite time. Alright, so we need to target— do we have other characters to do? Let's see. Oh. Oh, no we don't. Well, we want to probably kill this one first, sure. And then not die to the other one. Okay, alright, that's kind of fun. Cool. Thanks for sharing. You only need 2 keys to program a computer 0 and 1? You could probably get away with just 1 key. AOPT! Oh, 15 months. Oh shit, thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Isn't it an asterisk? No, I ended up being a dot. Mustack, hello, hello. I'm doing well. I didn't see your tweet today. Did I not? What is my Twitter? Code with Anthony. What is my Twitter? I think I did one. Yeah. It's there. Twitter might have just not shown it because sometimes they do that. They think it's spammy, which admittedly it is. Gotta stop picking up ores so quickly? We did actually need it though. Now it's in your feed. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Picada? Hello, welcome. I have a question about a decorator with infinite arguments. Well, ask. You do Peter questions, don't TCP your questions. Morse code hello world dot pi any percent. Yeah. That's snakes. You need an S. S on the end there, Qualsy. One more S and you would get there. Okay. So. Oh, we didn't even finish this. Okay, yeah. So, this one's pretty funny. Pre-commit mirror maker is a tool to, well, I wish it didn't need to exist. But it's a way to set up pre-commit repositories based on a package, and it auto-updates when the package is bumped or released. And one of them is set up for Clang format. And, oops. Yeah, one of them is set up for Clang format. And we got a pull request recently to helpfully add -I into the command so that it would always run in place, which is kind of what you want. You kind of always want -I in this. And patch seems fine. Basically, add entry point Clang format -I. Cool. Yeah, sounds good. What I didn't know and didn't realize is this causes the default hook ID to be this value, which is nonsense. And so it accidentally broke this by changing the hook ID to Clang format -I, which is not great. So I changed pre-commit mirror maker to just always error if there's a space in the hook ID. Hook IDs can have spaces, but you never actually want spaces in your hook ID. So just a small little patch to fix a little boo-boo there. But yeah, did that. I also fixed this problem. So the fix was I just yeeted it straight. This is the fix to do -ID. That way it keeps the right value there. So fix that. We write deadsnakes in Rust to go blazingly fast. What? That's not how that works. Guy says, long time subscriber on YouTube, but there should be a decorator that allows calls like deco A, B, C, D and concatenates into function A, B, C, D. There is a decorator like that. You just use partial. Pretty easy to do. The tricky part is knowing whether it's being called or being partial. Like you would check if it's callable or not, which is, it would mean that you can't partial callable partials, which if you're drinking the FP Kool-Aid might not be that great. Because you can't really determine the difference between being called as a decorator and being called as a call. But yeah. But yeah, you can use partial to do that. Yeah, you could look something like this. Let's see, Clash Infinite Decorator. Well, and we make it initialized with function. Then we implement call star args star quarks. Actually, how would you do this? Because it's hard to know. It's hard to know if it's being called or called. Yeah, actually, this is kind of tricky. Because you can't really tell if you're being called. Because this is the same as one, two? Yeah. That's kind of the equivalent here. I guess, oh, you would actually do arg here. So then I guess you could do The tricky part is getting the argument ordering right. If this instance if existent or if callable arg, then it's so gross. Anyway, eventually what you would do is you would build out a call chain and then you would partial at the end, and that's how you would get it working. But I don't really want to work on it. I've given up. I have other things to do today. Oh, I didn't actually ever save the file. Perfect. Stonkfish, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Functools.partial. Yeah. Variable monkey, hello, hello. Is there a reason to do it this way rather than taking a variable number args? No. I think this is a purely academic question, which, like, yeah, you would not design it this way. Seems like a bad idea. You would just have a variable number of arguments, which is way easier. Okay, cool. So other things that I did while offline is added a PyTest test first convention to name test tests, specifically for Sentry, because Sentry names tests like this. They came from Django, and Django uses a similar naming scheme to this. But now we're using PyTest. So PyTest doesn't match this, it instead matches this. So I wanted to enforce naming schemes at work. So I adjusted this. I used a neat little trick with default and stored const in argparse to have the pattern be the regular expression just based on the argument there. So rather than having to do some logic after the fact, it's just always in args.pattern, which is kind of nice. Also, slight performance improvement here. Not that it matters because regexes are, you know, the compile overhead's fairly low. Hey, what's up, Dan the server? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. The other thing that I did is I have PyUpgrade now warn if it is configured in Python 2 mode. I would like to get rid of the Python 2 mode at some point. So I'm gonna start warning. Maybe in a couple months I'll get rid of the Python 2 mode, which will actually make PyUpgrade faster because there's a few rewrites right now that are particularly expensive. Notably the long. It feels like it shouldn't be expensive. But the long and the octal literal ones. This rewrite and this rewrite cause a whole bunch of also this one. What the fuck? Is this not mentioned anywhere? Oh, that was not mentioned anywhere. Anyway, somewhere in here there's a UR literal rewrite. Chutev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, there's a few rewrites that cause the tokenizer to spend a bunch more time computing tokens, and I would like to get rid of them. They're all Python 2 specific. Okay, anyway, that is stuff since last time. What we're planning to do today is we set up automated GitHub actions for releasing Python. We've never gotten it successfully to work. And we're going to try again with 3.10, because I believe 3.10 came out recently. Yeah, 3.10.5, which I don't think we have packaged. The last one we packaged was 3.11 something or another. So we are going to try and set up these same workflows, but in the 3.10 repository, and do some channel point betting on whether it wins or not. I didn't know PyUpgrade supported Python 2. I may use that soon. I'm very behind the curve. Oh no. Well, the original goal behind PyUpgrade was to start using Python 2.7 features. Because, yeah, it was back when, like, dot format and a few other things were added. Okay. Plopopus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's a great name. Doubters will win today. Is that what you're betting on, Stonkfish? Okay, we need to go to secret. Oh, I need to start by adding the secrets to that repository. Available to 5 repos. We need to update. Yes, okay. We need to add to Python 3.10. There we go. Update, save. Now we gotta do it for the other ones. Update repositories. We want 3.10. Update, save. And the GPG secret. Update, save. I think that's all we have to do from a creds perspective. I'm surprised it didn't make me authenticate. Usually it's like, oh, you're doing sensitive things. Here's an authentication screen, but I'm not complaining, I guess. Deadsnakes, Python 3.10. Has my orphan branch, my orphan video come out yet? I know I recorded one. Nope, it has not come out. And it won't come out for another week or so. Okay, we're gonna use another little trick today. So if we look at the list of branches here, we have, oh, what are you? What are you? We don't need you anymore. Local fix virtual. Okay, anyway. We have a bunch of branches. We need to add another branch and make it the default branch. So we need to start a branch and not have any of these other histories in it, because it'll be we don't care about these other histories. We're gonna use git checkout -- orphan and then the branch name. And this will create a new branch with no history. One annoying thing about this is I have to unstage all these files. So get reset dot and get clean fxfd dot. And so now we have a brand new branch that has never been committed before. Empty initial commit, and we can basically start our history as if this was the first commit. But now we can push that branch up, and I'm going to make that our default branch. So that's not what I wanted. Branches, 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 branches. Rename, no. Branches, branches. Switch to main. Yes, yep, cool. Exclusive previews, it's true. Please don't kill my snacks. What? Hey, what's up, Prioxalo? Hello. Internet Bird, welcome to the stream. I'm doing well. How are you? I did do this video? Oh, I didn't. No, that's a different video, Oramus. This video. What is -- orphan? Where I basically go through the same workflow that I just did. And then I talk about why I would do it. There's a little bit more there. Yeah, we did it on stream at some point. Whale Walker, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Doing well, says Preax. Nice, nice. Everyone says, guess what I'm doing tonight? Getting hot? No. Making a Wordle game? What is this code? What the fuck? What is this code? Sheldred! Welcome, Raiders. We got another raid today. How you doing, Sheldred? How was your stream? What were you doing? Oh, that's not tab completing. There we go. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Templar Bite, thank you for the follow. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source stuff. Some of the things that I maintain that you might have heard of are PyTest Talks, Precommit, Deadsnakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, All Repos, Babby, and about 50 other things. Lots of open source Python. I also have a YouTube channel where I upload educational content. Blah blah blah. Shill shill. Today we are working on deadsnakes, which is a backport and forward port of Python's for Ubuntu releases, and we are trying to automate the release. I think it already works, but we have never successfully gotten it to work. So we're hopefully getting the first one working today. But how was your stream? What were you working on? Jama Selga, thank you for the follow. That Kid Miracle, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I'm trying to make it type safe. As in the compiler didn't allow you to create words larger than 5. Oh, you're making special types. Interesting. Interesting. Carlos Moshu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I followed you a long time ago. Nice content. Welcome. Well, I'm glad you enjoy the content. But how was your stream? What did you work on? I'm digging into a really weird side effect of catching a system exit exception that seemed to break standard in but not standard out. Sounds like somebody's missing a finally block somewhere. That's kind of weird. Pretty weird. Carlos says, came from the Shell Dread, right? Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we set up a set of GitHub actions last stream. Well, not last stream. It was a couple streams ago. In 3.11. But when we ran them, they failed because of merge conflicts. I'm hoping we can set them up again today in the 3.10 repo, and it'll just work. Okay, and ls files. All right. We will do this again. .github Python 3.10. Okay, now we need to check reamd. Well, we need to figure out what versions this is built for. I don't believe 10 is built for Jammy, so we gotta fix that. Jammy, 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 jammy. Jammy, jammy. Also, I have learned that this doesn't do anything. So we might clean up my GitHub actions today as well. This name doesn't do anything. It makes it show up as build, which is just dumb. Okay, 310, I believe is only bionic and focal. Let's double check that. Where can I check? Oh, I can just do git branch -r. Yeah. Git branch -r. Xenial's dead, bionic and focal. All right, get the reamd. The workflows from Python 3.11. And then we pray that it works. All right, we can do we'll do a prediction. Is it gonna work? Let's try a prediction. Will the builds succeed? Yeah, that one seems good enough. Got yes and no. We've got a minute to gamble your points, chat. Will the build succeed? We are going to go to here, and we are going to type in 3.10.5, and we're going to press enter. And we're going to see if it works. Let me make sure that's the right version first. 3.10.5. Okay, that's what we're going to do. That's what we're betting on today. Man, y'all are quiet in chat today. No one's flexing their points. Holy fuck, you guys aren't flexing your points. 35k on yes and 45k on no. Wait, why is it letting me predict? No, okay, streamers can't cast prediction. Yeah, that's a good thing. Reax put 25k on yes. And Eagle PT put 25k on no. Holy shit. Well, there's gonna be a lot of points changing hands on this one. Oh, you didn't set up your VPN? Kevin, this is why earlier in the stream I'm like, I'm gonna do some channel points. We're gonna do some bets. No. All right, it has been completed. We will click the button. So if it's gonna fail, it's probably gonna fail in the first couple seconds. If it's gonna succeed, it's gonna take like an hour. So that's why we have a bunch of other shit to work on today. But it has started. Update is the first thing. Well, we'll wait for update to go through, and then once it starts builds, then we'll work on something else. But this is pretty quick. Oh, popcorn, yeah. Dino says no one is flexing your points. Now you're flexing your points. Wow, you bet no. Are you just trying to lose your points? The Tom Dev says, hey, then what is your shortcut to exit PDB? Control C, Control D, Control Z. Control D? D is end of file. Control C will just give you another prompt. Control Z will background it, unless you're on Windows. But Control D doesn't work on Windows, so it depends. Depends what I'm doing. Also, C enter is another way to do it, or Q enter. I usually do Q enter. I feel like that's the better one. But yeah, there's a video about... There's a video about this. Exiting really fast. I think it's this one. Thomas, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Do you always use Linux? You tell me. You tell me, buddy. You tell me. My shortcut is Q? Yeah. Yeah. Q works. Q works. Q works. Blah, 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 blah. Just making weird mouth noises now. A little upstream. Configure get. Yeah. Wait, I feel like this wasn't working before. Did we get this working after all? Yeah, we did. Yeah, works. Yeah, exactly, Soursoft. Yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? It's already failing? Oh, I forgot to give the bot access. Shit. Okay, I feel like that doesn't count. 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 This is such a dumb reason to fail. Okay, that's... Okay, alright. That's where I was remembering this prompt. I was like, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get this prompt at some point. Oh, man, what an unfortunate prediction. Doubters win. Doubters win. Sad. Sad. I'm calling my lore if I don't get those points. Yeah, damn. Sorry, believers. Y'all got fucking destroyed there. My bad. Okay. But now we can do a second prediction. More gambling. We're eating well today. Yep. Yep. Yeah, there's the points for the doubters. Oh. First GitHub action run is always a freebie, but that definitely still counts. Yeah. Nazareth, hello, hello. I feel that it doesn't count. No, it definitely counts. It definitely counts. I don't even remember why I voted. I just stuck 10 on the lower one. Always put on human error. Does it need write access? Yeah. It does. It does indeed. Can't fail twice? There's this neat Harvard law class on ethics. Oh shit. Hey, my chair has arms, so I can be an armchair lawyer. Drewpad, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Still doubter, but I'll help for some of the things. Well, you're usually just trying to get rid of your points. Wait, where's the new prediction? Did it not start the new prediction? It typed it in the box. Why is it still showing the old prompt? I don't want you anymore. Go away. What the fuck? The countdown timer. Is there a new prediction, chat? Looks fine to me. Okay, can I click the button now? Can I click the button? Click the button. Yes, yes, prediction's ready. New prediction is 75-25. Okay. Alright. Rerun yobs. Prediction. Oh yeah. Whoa. JJMC put in 55k on yes. God damn. Who put in? DDoS put 25k on no. I see. Yeah, it's mostly you two. Mostly DDoS paying JJMC in theory. Alright. Will this one succeed? the question. I think we set up all the stuff. Time for the rich to get richer? You mean JJMC or you? I feel like this one's gonna succeed. I think we set everything up properly this time. But we gotta wait. We'll wait for it to get past update and onto the build before. Well, this is, I don't know. We've never actually run this, so it's never been successful. So it is entirely possible that you get all the points again. Reset. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How's it going? But yes, I put this into my little to-do, one of my many little to-do lists. I have too many babbies. You do have a lot of babbies, JJMC. You thought you set everything up properly last time too? That's true. That is true. You're doing this first thing. I think this one's gonna be easy, so we might just flex all repos and get this done. Well, we might do this as well while we're talking about dead snakes. I am not gonna do this because I realize it's impossible. These are kind of the same thing, aren't they? I probably don't want to get arrested, so we're not gonna do that one. Auto no QA formatter. I don't know what this means. Like, I already have yes QA. Oh, this is probably the opposite of yes QA. Take an unlinted code base and oh, what the fuck just happened there? How did I dupe them? That's weird. Lucian, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sarah, how's it going? Good to see you. I want to donate some babbies my way. I don't think it works that way. What's the npm install for pre-commit? Some people complain about the pre-commit installation right now because you have to have Python installed. I want to just npm install and have pre-commit. So the thought was to slap the zip app into an npm package for no good reason. But I don't know that I'll ever do that either. I don't know that I'll do this either. This one's so hard to do, right? I think someone already did this. I don't know. Dunkfish says, my battery backup for my server rack died earlier this week. Now I'm living on the edge, running the risk of all my stuff hard shutting down at the smallest blip of power. What are you running on your servers that's important? Okay, so the first part succeeded. That's good. This is further than it's ever gotten before. Oh wait, no, that's not true. We did the other part before. But it should have just pushed to this branch and this branch. Cool. Very cool. Why are these? Oh, 2 behind. Yeah, because it's unrelated history. Okay, so now it is doing the 2 builds. Let's wait until it gets to this step here, and then we'll do something else. Anonymous has gifted a sub to Stonkfish. Oh, we've already got 1 button, so there's your free button. Thank you for the gift sub, Anonymous. Appreciate that. And welcome to Subdim, Stonkfish. Okay, it's starting to build. I think we can safely keep these tabs in the background and start working on something else. Nightly, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Okay, so I'm going to do this because I'm pretty sure it's unnecessary. And we can use all repos to do this. Lambs, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? I'm hosting very important maymays on my server. That's fair. That's fair. You gotta protect the maymays. Gotta protect the maymays. This is gonna do a lot of terminal spam, which is why I'm hiding it. Oh, it has started. Okay, we can put you in the background. The broken ups is a maymay too. XLR61, what do you? I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? Oh look, it's done. All repos, grep name in GitHub workflows. I don't have too many GitHub actions. Okay, maybe I do. Output pass. Okay. I don't know if this one is unneeded, but I know. Oh, I closed more than I wanted to. Do that again. I know, I'm pretty sure this one is needed. Well, maybe I don't do this wrong as often as I do. I'm pretty sure this one doesn't do anything. Pretty sure. And I've made this mistake a bunch of times. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this defaults to this, so I can just get rid of this. I think. We'll probably do the explains one first, since that one is probably the least important one. UPS, not ups? You mean the ups man? I always like when the ups man brings things to my house. Oh, the broken uninterruptible power supply. No, not that ups. Not whatever the fuck UPS, the delivery company, stands for. Remove unneeded name from GitHub action. Nano editor? What nano editor? This isn't nano. What are you talking about? Push version head. I think it'll work. We'll see. I think that might be a croned one though. Do you run? When do you run? On workflow dispatch. Oh, we can trigger it. Cool. Taniwa, thank you for the resub. Whoa, it's 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's not nano though. Why is what? Why do you think it's nano? Get the fuck out of here. Run. Do you break? Do you break? Oh, it's going. FE already? Right. Kevin, you troll. Kevin, you troll. Yeah, it seems to work. Okay, cool. Alright, so I can definitely remove those, which is great. So I will get-c repos. Pull prune. And then all repos grab repos. Repo. All repos manual. Commit message. Remove unneeded name in GitHub actions. Branch name. Name GHA. Repos this. I think that'll do what I want. Strange Sorcerer has resubbed at 2 months. Thank you for the resub. Appreciate that. Welcome. Start this streak again. Hey, let's go. How's it going? Now do you support Vim mode? It does. Look, you can quit it. This is the only thing you need from Vim. It's colon Q. Master Firewall, hello. This is the only thing you ever need to do in Vim is quit. Nothing else. Okay. Name? No, don't need to do. Oh, we wanted to figure out whether the name is needed there or not. Colon after the name? I don't think it's gonna matter. Also, it's gonna match every file anyway because of this. I don't know whether this is needed or not. Let us experiment. We make a temporary repo, new repo. What? Do 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 do. Do do. Copy and make a new file and paste. And if we remove this, GitHub what? Workflows wat.yaml and then job wat 1804. What is this? Don't need any of this. Let go high. Yeah. Do you work? Oh? Yo? Okay. So this top level one's not needed either. That's cool. That's cool. Alright. Good to know. I am not going to touch any of the Yelp ones, though. So we're just going to fix our own. And I don't really use GitHub Actions that much, so it probably won't make much of a difference. Okay, good to know. But we are not going to touch Yelp 1. Skip all of the Yelp ones. You don't need this. And we don't need this. Although if we want to maintain the original naming here, we would call it PR. Cool. Looks good to me. And then we repeat. I'm excited for the taco burrito stream. Oh, because I promised. Wait, who was I talking to? Oh, that was on Mitch's stream. Where I promised. I didn't promise. I implicitly said that I make better burritos than Chipotle. And yeah, which I think is true. Well, kind of a low bar to make better burritos than Chipotle, but we might do a burrito stream at some point. Linge, thank you for the resub at 10 months. Good to see you again from Denmark. How's it going? You're talking to me on Mitch's stream. Yeah, I remember now. We have our own meta friendship going. It's okay. No, it's all good. I understand. I make Chipotle? Asks Spyro. I mean, I can make burritos. And I think I can make better burritos than Chipotle can. Master Firewall, thank you for the resub at 3 months. Appreciate it. Okay. This is because I suck at time zones. I'm pretty sure these are still wrong. Yes. Doing great and trying to learn web programming with Vuetify. Fast API background. Interesting. Interesting. Can you believe there's no Chipotle in downtown Detroit? Really? I've never really, well, I haven't had Chipotle in a very long time. Mostly because I just make my own burritos at this point. Take over Taco Bell? Yo, Taco Bell. Hot take. Hot take. I think Taco Bell is better than Chipotle. Yeah. Also, like, after like the pandemic, it's just so hard to rationalize eating at Subway like places. As much as I love Subway, like, just like open air ingredients with people all around all the time just seems bad, you know? It seems bad. Can't be a hot take when you're spitting facts, A. But like, this seems bad. This seems bad. Well, oh, I was like pre-commit. What? More of a spicy take than a hot one? Are those not different? Bitten was his point. A. That's right, Beardy. My jaw just cracked. That was weird. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Kind of getting in a groove here, not really thinking about it, just kind of doing the thing. Diablo take A. Next text says I like Jimmy John's. I feel like Jimmy John's is the shittiest of the sandwich shops because they don't even toast their fucking sandwiches. Like, why would you want a sad cold sandwich? Oh, but it's freaking fast. Yeah, but I want a fucking toasted sandwich. I don't want any of this like lame ass cold sandwich. I've been at takeaway in 2+ years now. I went through cravings so bad the first year, and now I'm like, it wasn't really that good. Yeah, that's fair. I do enjoy me some Taco Bell though. I must have never heard of that place. Never heard of Jimmy John's. Is it a regional thing? Jimmy John's map. Oh. Wait, did that literally say MapQuest? Damn. What a fucking throwback this is. Does MapQuest even fucking exist? Wow. And they have a Yelp partnership. Oh man, that little icon is real excited to see me. Damn, I didn't know MapQuest still existed. It kind of feels like it hasn't changed in a decade. How many states are this? This dot split back and one. One dot split len 55 states. Because we have District of Columbia. Split lines. 45 states. Okay, so there are 6 states that do not contain Jimmy John's. Oh wait, New York got. Oh wait. This is why we got so many double counts. But yeah, now that we're split linesing, I probably could have just done split lines -1. That would have been the smarter thing to do. Yeah. Okay, so there are 44 states that contain Jimmy John's, so it's entirely possible you live in one that doesn't have one. Anyway. I don't like toasted subs, which is why I like Jimmy John's. I guess that's fair. If you don't like toasted subs, then sure. Then Jimmy John's is probably just fine for you. Probably just fine. You said we can toast a sandwich. Another chain can toast a sandwich too if they choose to do so. Yeah, and Jimmy John's intentionally chooses not to, so that they can deliver them faster. It's part of their like shtick. Brick says, of course I'm beyond fortunate enough to have a partner that absolutely loves to cook. Oh, nice. Otherwise DoorDash would be my friend. Dude, I feel like DoorDash is so shit. This name is different. I think we remove it anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. It's fine. Oh boy. Move that too. That's true. That's true, but that's fine. I don't think it's referenced anywhere other than the reamd, and I'm pretty sure. What? Why do we still have a Travis CI badge here? Well, I'll have to fix that. No one would notice that this is a Travis CI badge. Is Travis still running? No, it's not. Okay, that's what I thought. But yeah, this will change from run test to CI, and this will change from publish to whatever, which I think is fine. Let us get to the... Yeah, it even had a different name before. Create status badge. Field status. Okay, we fix the link there. Wait, why does it link to this? ci.yaml. Seems like a weird place to link. Ah, whatever, I don't care. I do not care. Coveralls? Yeah, we don't have coverage set up for this either, do we? It has 100% coverage, but I don't think we have it hooked up. Don't think we have it hooked up. Unless it's run as part of talks. Which I don't think we did. Nope. We did not. Yes. Travis, we don't miss you? Yeah, yeah. Why would you order a sandwich? Ticket is crazy expensive, especially delivery. Like, eating ribeye steaks for every meal is cheaper than getting McDonald's delivered. Oh, that's crazy, Squeaky. Yeah, I usually just make my own food. Alaska, Hawaii, Maine, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Interesting. Kevin says, I'm in pattern matching heaven right now. You would have been so proud. Oh. It's a Techie-chan. How do you become a top programmer like you? Lots of experience. Lots of experience. Adcast says, hey, I was looking at Pigment CI and saw that it's able to commit to other PRs without having write access to the repository. I wonder how does that work? So when you make PRs on stuff, such as, well, this one got made automatically. Can you see the checkbox on here? No. Oh, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna demo this for you? Oh, it's a repo no one's gonna give a shit about that I for. Anyway, there's a little checkbox on pull request that says contributors can modify the pull request, and that's checked by default. So, Pigment CI acts as the maintainer of the repo, and so it can edit pull requests. You can also change from V2 to V3. Yeah, but I don't care. There's nothing in V3 that's really useful for me. YTI says, another A2C package I should use. Wait, what one? What one was that? All repos? All repos is pretty cool. Fine. Sweetie says, do you have any plans to make videos about how to write good tests and testable code? Well, all code sucks, so... I think testing is very situational. I have like a TDD video, which is kind of similar in idea, but... I don't know. I have that idea in my backlog, a coverage badge service. No mapping, no history, no bling, just send the coverage file and a badge with a percentage. Yeah, I'm planning to make a coverage service as well, but just like the overhead of coveralls and CodeCo. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna tell you too much about how I'm gonna do it, but I think I can make it not shit. Oh, dumb pipe, yeah. There's a few things that need to get improved on it, but it's pretty good. Sarcastic Dante is gonna go on a bike ride. Nice! Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you as always. I went on a bike ride today. Not a very long one, because I didn't have much time. But I did go on a bike ride, and it was good. Reporter, how do you write good code? ABC, well, all code sucks, so it's true. It's true. Do you think I would mislead them? Speaking of that, time for my hike. Storm's rolling in. Well, have a good hike, Priox. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, I should change this to 3.0. That one we will actually update, because I actually care about that one. Why is this taking so long? GitHub. Reminds me of Kelsey Hightower no code. Yeah. You get storms down there yet? I haven't looked at this flowing north or south. Just feel it in the air. Looking pretty not stormy. Well, there's some in the evening. Maybe. It doesn't look like storms. It looks like just a little radiation. None of that good thunderstorm stuff. Man, I love me fucking thunderstorms. They're so good. Flame. Remember they're hurting my area again? Northy then? Those hit different? Well, I am driving north today. Like, what if I put in... What if I put in my dad's... Oxford? Oh, that seems fine too. I'm also going to Waterford, Michigan later today. Huh. 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 Uh-huh. Huh. I have more GitHub actions than I thought. Oh, I also have to do Precomment CI. And I have to do deadsnakes, because those are not included here. Anything to testificate, yeah. Hey, what's up, 10DP? Hello. Sitting out on a back deck of a lake house with a drink in hand, watching a thunderstorm over the lake. Oh man, that sounds so good. I'm jelly. I am jelly of your sitch. I love me a good thunderstorm. I want a Minecraft data pack with a testificate voice. Roger, you're like, yo, let's fucking go. Look at the bot being smart. Let's go. Ayo. Oh man. The bot smarts is so simple, but so effective. I love it so much. Okay, we're not gonna modify the PyPy repo. Let's look at the PyTest one. Yeah, this actually doesn't do anything here. But I think I'm gonna leave these alone. Yeah. We're gonna not touch that. We're gonna not touch talks either. Okay. Now we need to go to Precomment CI. Do the same thing. All repos clone. The reaction to code that works? Yeah. Bot, is Anthony real? If the answer is no, then stay silent. God damn it. CTY Junior, hello, hello. Can you help me with something? Listen, I can usually help anyone with anything. Usually. But I don't know unless you tell me what the problem is. Proudsick, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And workflows. Oh boy, yeah, there's a lot of them in there. Okay. Thoughts on HTTP 3? Dude, HTTP 2 is already a fucking pain in the ass to implement. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have HTTP 1.1 forever. Forever and ever. Servers and clients will both be H1 forever. Just because quick and speedy and all the other fucking bullshit is just so hard to do. Also, there's an H3 UDP, which is just like, we're just reinventing shitty protocols on top of UDP again. Just gonna be riddled with bugs and weird edge cases and just like, there's a reason TCP exists. It's pretty fucking good at what it does. But no, we gotta squeeze out that 2% performance from inventing our own protocol. What we need is a new protocol that's even simpler than H1. Yeah, that would be the good thing, but no, we keep just bolting on complexity, and I say we, I have no qualms in any of this. Like I have no, I didn't do it. It's not my fucking problem. Oh shit, what have I done? I pressed the function key. Alright, sick. So we can get rid of this. Yeah, we're gonna search for name colon now. Carmarku, hello, hello. Web69 will fix this. Yeah. There's no way. It's weird that I only did the top level ones here. I'm so inconsistent on this. And becomes a maintainer of H3? No. No. That is the opposite of what I want to do. I already maintain more shit than I want to. I don't need more. Please no. Came up at work and my question was, do we even properly support H2? And no one could give me an answer. Yeah. Yeah. It's fairly true. Yeah, we don't really care because, as you said, we'll all keep using H1. Yeah, H3 is like Pokemon generations. Most people prefer to stick to the first ones. That's not entirely true. Oh wait, we did this repo already, right? Yeah. We're not gonna redo this one. Why are we removing the names? Because they don't do anything. Snippy says, can you help me with this? If you have 5 bottles of water and you drink 3, you still have 5 bottles or 2. You do. You have 5 bottles, but 3 of them have, or 2 of them have water. Subtraction. Sneeze dad. Oh yeah, we're skipping this one too. Oh, not gonna do that. Oh, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Imager links. You should not post screenshots of code. Never ever. They are text. Cleanse down bottle of whiskey while you're drinking water. Mustache says, I have one question, General. How do you decide the direction or mission of the projects you're maintaining are going on the positive side or not? What do you mean? They're all positive. I wouldn't work on that negative project. Oh. What do you mean? What do you mean? You need to implement speech text for your bot so it'll detect sneezes and say bless you. Yeah, that would be pretty wild, wouldn't it? There's already too much shit listening to me. Like, I'm pretty sure my phone knows that I just sneezed. Google knows that I've sneezed. Those fucks. Technically, we have Anthony's word that what he's drinking is water. It's true, you don't know what this clear liquid is. Oh no, the rich are getting richer? Wait, did it fail? No. No. Oh, it succeeded. Okay. Did it end up on Launchpad, though? I mean, it must have, because otherwise it wouldn't have succeeded. Well, that's good to know that that works. That's next. And new Python versions. And we should have just gotten an upload for 3.10. 9 packages building. Heyo, LFG. Cool. That means that the outcome is yes. Will the build succeed? Yes, they will. Good job to all of the believers. Anthony chugging Everclear, yeah. They were the Kleenex ads? Yeah. Smug mode off? No, smug mode's still on. It's working. It worked. It worked. Kingslayer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The bottles I use are aluminum vodka bottles. Oh. I don't know that I've had aluminium vodka. Second end says plus 13k, down 7 overall. Enjoy my gross babbies. The payout is real, 14 points. Yeah, you really hit the jackpot there, Priox. 106k go to wait. Oh, yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. I tried to lose points, but got both predictions right. Mission failed. Mission failed successfully. Okay, the last thing we need to do is deadsnakes. Oh, how am I going to do this without showing you the creds? By showing you my face instead. My face. Exclude. No, we want. I don't know how to do include. Maybe there is one, but I'm just gonna. We're just gonna use a negative lookout. Yeah. Exclude not dead snakes. I think that'll work. Yeah. Let me just make sure that this works and I don't have to modify the creds. It's working. Hi, face! A face! Right? Do you use any of those programs that let you launch apps with a command and typing like D-launcher? Like this thing? Where I type like Firefox in here? No. I do on Windows though. I'll use the Windows launcher. This is the code and these are the oh wait, it's code that makes images? Oh, this is pretty short. What's your question? What's the question? And I see a few things that look kind of wonk with the code, but the question. It only makes the last page. Yeah, that seems like a tiny problem. For PDF, a PDF list. Page.merge page. You probably want your writer to be outside of this loop. That's almost certainly the problem. And then you probably want this right outside of the loop. Yeah, that's your entire problem. New project, did you reveal what it is already, or will it be a surprise? We have not revealed it yet. Because I was wrapping this up, and then I was doing this. We're not done with this yet. We have one feeling. That is kind of to be expected. Repos manual. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna do this first. When is the Anthony builds a house using Python stream? Oh, I do have updates on the whole house bullshit. Which, if you recall, I backed out of a. What's this? I backed out of a of the first house that I put an offer in on, because the inspection was so fucking garbage that I was not comfortable with continuing to purchase it. Basically, it had no maintenance for 20 years, and I was gonna have to spend like $60,000 just to get it inhabitable. Which, yeah, I didn't want to do. But I've put in an offer on another house last week, and my offer has been accepted. I'm doing inspection next week. So that'll be fun. But hopefully it means that I have a new house. Hey, what's up, Stings? Hello, hello. Or says, are you able to explain what the difference between the different flavors of SQL are? Which would you use if you needed one for your project? I can just tell you that Oracle SQL is fucking garbage. Oracle SQL flavor is so shit. It has like no good features. SQLite is better than Oracle SQL. And I stand by that. Oh fuck, I didn't shit. I gotta fix the other one too. Damn it. Damn it. Ah. Oh well. Let me do that while I'm thinking about it though. But yeah, most of the differences are just like slight feature changes. The syntax is usually mostly the same. I wish I could amend. I wish there was like an amend into the previous commit button. That'd be so nice. Also getting rid of unneeded build. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oracle's still around, stay away. Yeah, that was the database engine we used in college because the school paid a shit ton of money for Oracle DB, and then they're like, well, if we paid a shit ton of money, I guess we better use it. Meanwhile, like, I'm using MySQL and MS SQL in my personal projects, and I'm like, damn, this Oracle DB fucking sucks. Like, back then, the REPL didn't even have tab complete. We used this like terrible RL wrap with like, you would touch all the SQL keywords in your working directory so that RL wrap would give you tab completion and like all your table names and columns. Like that was kind of the best way to deal with Oracle. It was so shit. It was so shit. Did it supports fix-up comments? I don't think so. No. You can write SQL that's ANSI compliant and that will work for most databases. Yeah, but no one actually wants to do that. I recommend starting with SQLite. Yeah, SQLite's good. SQL Server? Yeah, SQL Server is so nice. MS SQL is just like It has so many nice features. It's just, it's very good. Very, very good. MySQL is the first variant that I used though, but I did a lot of MS SQL in at my first job. Not really by, no, it wasn't really assigned me. It was just like, I want to work on this thing. Oh, we're using MS SQL. Oh, I guess I'll use MS SQL for this. One of my biggest Stack Overflow posts is a T-SQL answer. Oh, maybe it's T-SQL. I mean, T-SQL is MS SQL. This one. This is one of my most upvoted answers. Oh, that's not even. I have fewer upvotes than this person. Over and partition by. This is such a good database feature. Such a good database feature. Anyway. Biggest thing to consider with newer versions of MySQL Postgres is JSON support as a native data type. Yeah, the JSON support's pretty nice, but storing JSON in a column is not really a good idea. Like at that point, you might as well just use a document store. To be honest, if I were to pick a SQL Server that needed to be beefier than SQLite for a project, at this point I'd probably go with SQL Server. Yeah. With the limitations of SQLite, it's mostly just that it's a flat file, single instance. Doc and SQLite doesn't scale well. Well, it doesn't scale for writes. For reads, it's fucking great. Just distribute your flat file and it's good to go. I think I already have a branch here. Yeah. That one. Oh. And we're done. Now we have a bunch of pull requests to merge. One, two, three, four. These should all be the same patch. Minus 3 lines. It's 3 lines. Iconic Warrior, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Merge. 3 lines, merge. 3 lines after we fixed it, merge. Oracle has over partition by? Yeah. They probably stole it from T-SQL. Wait, Oracle has over partition by now? They definitely didn't have that before. Stigs! Thank you for the sub with Prime at 15 months. Holy shit. Thank you for continued support. It's good to see you again. JSONB is useful for arbitrary metadata and otherwise relational data store. Yeah. But I also see people like... I see people set up queries against JSONB, which is just like kind of a bad idea. Because the query performance is abysmal when you do that. Sponsor stream using Azure database services. Have we done anything with Azure's? We used any of Azure's database. I don't know anything about their offerings. I know Dynamo from AWS, but I don't know. Can't do a large relational database SQLite? Yeah, you can. Most of SQLite is like scaling it, like having multiple writers or a distributed system. SQLite's not really lend itself well to a distributed system. Although there are some people running replicated SQLite, which is it's certainly possible. It's just it doesn't give you any of that out of the box. You have to do it yourself. Okay, got a bunch to merge. We're gonna actually look at these though. Cool. Oh, the frequency I ones should be -6. Okay. -6. Good. Good. -6. -6. 6. 6 again. Yep. Cool. Oh, -3. Different one now. -3 plus 1. Oh yeah, because we renamed, yeah. Okay. Yep. -1. Cool. It's 2. It's 3 plus 1 should be a rename. Cool. Cool. It's 2. It's 2 again. Let's make sure the badges show up right on this one. Where's this repo? Wouldn't want to fuck that up. ci.yaml passing. It's a little less than ideal. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. -2. I'm surprised the Flake8 ones were set up properly. I thought I copy pasted from one of these. Okay, this one's failing because of the same reason these other PRs are open. I'm just gonna leave this one for now. Oh, it's gonna be annoying. Well, to wait for PyTest 7.2 to release to make that other one green. Cool. Should have all of those out of the way except for this. Sweet. Azure SQL is cloud-based SQL server. That would make sense. Yeah. Oracle's had it for at least a decade now. Well, to be fair, the last time I did Oracle was ever so slightly more than a decade ago. So it's entirely possible that I didn't have it when I did it. Although we were probably running an old version just because that's how schools are. Stay away from Redshift. Bad thing. Well, I've been at 2 companies that have migrated away from Redshift, so 2004. Well, maybe we were running an old version. The thing I hate about summertime is the damn heat. Yeah, I would much rather be cold than hot. Yeah. I'm in the Bay Area, originally from the Pacific Northwest. What is this nonsense, right? How's fire season slightly by? If I had the choice, I would distribute the weather accordingly. 50% of the year it's raining, 30% of the year it's snowing, and the last 20% is blue summer skies. Yeah, good luck with that. I guess PNW is kind of similar. He says it snowed when I was on vacation. Where were you? Southernham? How though? Okay. Well, we can check this off. Yes. And now I guess we can talk about the last thing, which is this. Which is this crazy new idea that I have that might be genius and might be stupid. Oh, you're in Colorado. Oh, cool. But this is very cool. That I can now auto-release deadsnakes releases. Oh, and now that I know this works, I'm gonna set it up. Well, I guess I'll just set it up on demand. When 3.9 comes out, we'll do the same thing. I'll make the same mistakes. We'll have the same channel point paths. Did you see the drone pics? I did. They look great. Yeah. We'll set this up for 3.9. Is 3.8? 3.8's not. 3.8's still supported, right? 3.7 is still supported? What the fuck? Python dev supported versions. End of life. 3.6 is end of life. Yeah. 3.7 is still. We'll still get fixes. Security fixes. Okay. That makes sense. Ugh. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Alright, so let me paint the picture of the problem that I'm trying to solve. After I delete this. So, pretty often... we're just gonna go back right in that directory. Pretty often, well, let me just set up a module hierarchy. Make their, I don't know, hello, and touch hello init.py, and touch hello/world.py, and touch hello/main.py. From hello, import world if name equals main. Raise system exit main. Main. We'll put def world to start, return world. I don't know, very stupid little project. And if we run this, python 3-m hello, you'll see that it prints hello world. All great, right? We're all fine here. When Python imports modules, it compiles Python and produces PyC files. And the PyC file is basically the code of the module, but sort of cached into a separate file. It contains all of the bytecodes and stuff, and the import system will marshal this object rather than reparsing the Python source. All good so far? We all following so far? Yes, good. The problem with this is if someone comes along and deletes the Python file, you can still run the PyC file. Oh wait, what? Why is it not working anymore? Wait, what? Maybe I don't need this at all. Change this at some point? Wait, my whole lead up is dead now. Did they change this at some point? Did somebody already implement the thing that I'm asking for? We'll make it old syntax compatible. Did somebody already implement this? Let's just compile all the versions, get all them PyCs in place. Okay. What? Okay, got a bunch of PyCs in here. Cool. And if we move this, When's the case that it... I'm fucking tripping. What? Is this a Python 2 thing? When did this change? Let's make this Python 2 compatible. Oh, I thought I had to sneeze. Ah, it's a Python 2 thing. Okay. Fucking sick. I don't have to do this anymore. I can just delete the damn setting at work. Oh, thank goodness. Huh. I guess it's changed in Python 3 at some point. Probably the same time PyCache was introduced. Very good. Very good. Okay. Huh. Well, that really fucks the stream. Guess we're not working on this cool new thing today. But that's actually a good thing, because it means that I don't have to build a new thing in my team. Problem already solved. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hey, what's up, Data Dude? Hello, hello. Easy fixed. Yeah, it looks like Python 2. Kind of a nice surprise. Yeah, more time to shit talk Oracle. Yeah. Are you starting to question reality? No, I just know that I've hit this bug so many times that I was surprised to see that it's fixed. There is probably still a situation where it will still import these PyC files, but it's not the default one. So I don't give a shit. Right? Perfect. Time for the butter site? Yeah. Python 2 thing? Yeah. Pitch destroyed, no deal for you? Yeah. I mean, dude, it just means that I can delete some code at work. Because, we have this setting that just pisses me off inside this. Where is it? This one. Don't have PyC files. Using stale Python code occasionally causes subtle problems. Not any fucking more. Because of Python 3. So I can just delete these lines. Which is great. Because this is a fix for a Python 2 behavior. This is so annoying. This should always have been the default. They changed it in Python 3, like 3.4 or something, to make a performance benchmark better. But it just makes everything fucking awful. So stupid. There's also an environment variable that prevents Python from writing those PyCs. Yeah, no, that's the whole fucking reason that I wanted to implement this thing. I wanted to delete this line and have it do this behavior. Like only try and read the PyC files if the Python file is actually there. Yeah, that's why I want to get rid of this. Did we learn Rust? What do you mean? What environment variable? Yeah, this one. You don't want this environment variable. This environment variable is a bad idea. This is make my code go slower for no reason. Now, if you're in Python 3. Which is great. Jamie Pratt! Whoa, thank you for the resub at 26 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're doing well. How's your Saturday going? Or Sunday, or whatever day it is. Really update that website. Make sure it makes the list. What do you mean slightly by? Python 2 is better than Python 3? Not want to have to deal with this bullshit. Dash U is this is the way. Yeah. Dash U should have been the default. I don't know why they did that. By deleting that setting, is that mainly helping by speeding things up? Yeah, makes things a lot faster. Because you're not continually recompiling source over and over and over. Like I profiled test startup and it spends like 6 or 7 times, or 6 or 7% of the time building AST objects. Also, there's a memory leak. There's a memory leak in the PyC compiler, which is fun. That's still not fixed. We actually showed that it was worse in 3.10 a couple streams ago. Oh, my website? Yeah, I need that. Is there a way to store all the PyC files in another folder? There is. It's new in 3.8. I don't think I did a video on this, but there's Pyron. I don't remember the option. That's why I'm doing. Fuck. That's why I'm doing this. Python PyCache prefix. Yeah, so you can do. On 3. Add magic number in hello.world. What? Excuse me, what? Is it because I didn't move the file back? That's a weird error. Clearly people don't use this feature very often. Oh, it was trying to read the Python 2 PyC file? Maybe? That seems buggy. Anyway. It does absolute pathing. Why does it do absolute pathing? Kind of weird. I really like that. Wait, it compiles the standard library too? Huh. Weird? Very weird. Very weird. I just found a folder from university stuff when they try to teach a bunch of mostly artists who's PHP. Nice. PHP's not bad. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for PHP. So. Oh fuck. Well, now what are we gonna work on? Well, I do have to do this. We'll do this. Do this. Here's the damn link. This one? Launchpad emails are so shit. They're just like a whole bunch of mess. So yeah, we reported this tmux bug a while back in Jimmy. Blah 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 blah. And then I put the patch here. They fixed it by bumping to 3.3, which doesn't really help me. Volunteer to drive this process. Thorough reproduction. Sounds like the patch was acceptable, and that's great. You've experienced fine process, yeah. But it's still needed. Looks like step 3 from the link would need attention. Adding an impact section and where problems could occur. The package diff. Oh yeah, I just did that to package it. I really yeah, for my PPA, I'd really make that this is the patch formatted nicely for canonical. I just cherry picked using GBP and refreshed patches using that. That's why the commit and such are all the default values. I was like, this sounds familiar. Like this is my bug. It literally opens nano. Yeah, this is my old bug. I think those PyCs and user delivery produced by D package process. Well, yeah, they are. You say PHP is not bad? I wouldn't be here without PHP. I think PHP is a pretty useful learning tool. The docs are pretty good. It's easy to get things working. What the fuck is all of this? I'm totally happy with whatever version number is up with here. So what do I need to do here? Impact and where problems occur. See what it looked like here. Impact should be basically nothing. This one's different. Why is this one different? As for impact, let me read this link. Let's run this one here. This one. Oh boy. Now it's areas where regressions might happen. It is assumed that uploaders believe their patches are risk-free, demonstrating that some thought has been given to expected, unexpected. Okay. Yeah. What if this change is wrong? How would that show up? Okay, well, what does the patch do? It only changes size. As for impact, wait, is it just impact? What the fuck is this supposed to be? What did he want me to do? Impact section and where problems could go wrong. Impact. PHP is the easiest language to allow user accounts connected to a Linux server to deploy, since you just use Apache with a folder structure. Yeah. That's why they wanted us to use it for. Yeah. Okay. Impact. I guess I gotta open up that C file and read it. Sure. New file. Okay, what does this routine do? Not TC. What the fuck do you think TC is? TC equals C. What the fuck is C? This reads like Go code. I think C is TTY settings. C. Oh, here we go. Session, no, client. So it only attaches a client. TC, what is SC? SC is spawn context. I gotta figure out what spawn context is. .h spawn context. PC is client. Okay. The patch adjusts how the client is attached to the newly created tmux session. Earlier in the code, the client is detected as being detached or not when the regression that occurred in tmux itself forgot to take into account the detached state when creating a new session. Patch essentially the upstream fix for handling detached sessions. Regression potential. The other section that they wanted? Where problems could occur. Where problems could occur. Changes mostly around creating tmux sessions and creating detached tmux sessions. That would be where I would expect regressions occur. So they would have already occurred. As unlikely as that seems. I don't know. It's a stupid waste of my time. I don't actually care if it gets fixed. I'll just use my fucking PPA. Hey team, hello. Modern C looks a lot like Go, wonder why. Am I working on tmux now? Not really. I'm basically just reporting bugs and being like, hey, it's already fixed. It has a very cool file feature, just press T. I don't like it. It also doesn't work in like this weird branch mode, which is a global search. Hello, welcome. CG, blah, blah, blah. That's open source. Wow, welcome. A long ass comment. And I don't give a fuck. I'm fixing a bug of a bug. No, Debian just released the like unpatched latest alpha of tmux for Jammy, and tmux had regressed in the latest alpha, but they had fixed it after the alpha released. And so I'm just saying, hey, please backport this patch. This one line patch, please. And they're making me jump through a bunch of hoops, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know, man. I don't really care. I mean, I do care, but I don't really care if I contribute to Canonical or not. I'll just use my own PPA. It's just shitty that it's gonna be broken for 10 years? 8 years? When's the big move-in day? Well, I gotta move out first. I gotta move out first. Let's see, today is June 12th? 11th, right. Monday-based calendars. I hate Monday-based calendars. So, my lease ends on this day. So I'm going to be trying to stream this day and then move out this day. Which means I'm going to try and stream from my dad's house on this day, and this day, and this day, and this day. Oh, no, Saturdays. Right. Oh, Mondays. Oh. Well. Today. Moving out on the 27th lease ends. Moving out on this day. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright, sorry. You're right. Good call. Inspection is on Monday. So hopefully everything goes well then. Move-in day is currently scheduled for the 15th of July, which means I'm going to be at my dad's place for 3 weeks. I gotta set up. I gotta figure out if the new place has my current service provider, which I've been pretty happy with. But I'm not sponsored, so I'm not gonna say who it is. Although some of you know because I've talked about it. Better apartment? No, I've got a fucking house. I'm gonna be moving into a house. It's gonna be sick. I would show you photos, but then I'm pretty sure you can just reverse image search them and figure out where I'm moving to. I'm gonna take some. Well, I have some of my own photos. I haven't bought it yet. I have put in the offer, and the offer has been accepted. I feel like even if I show you my photos, you're still gonna be able to find where it is. Can't show you that one because it just shows the fucking address. Well, I also unrelated. There is a massive spider. Look at that giant ass spider. It was huge. Showing on my wall. Let's see. Here's a nice photo to show. Yeah. How about this? Yeah, this one sees. This kitchen. Oh. This is the kitchen. What the fuck? I took a picture of the inside of my pocket. That's pretty funny. Actually, it has 2 kitchens. There's another kitchen. This is the primary bedroom. Look at one more. One more photo. Here's the basement. Focus. Basement. Wait, no, we got one more cheeky photo. Here's me forgetting how mirrors work. But anyway. Cooking stream, yeah, we're gonna get so many new cooking streams. It's gonna be good. A huge ass upgrade, yeah. 8-legged friends, indeed. Were we playing GeoGuessr with Anthony's new house? I mean, spiders are friends. Yeah, I love spiders. Spiders great. Venus, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Sigma Monkey, hello. Avoiding getting doxxed is pretty hard. Yeah, especially when Twitter and Azure DevOps show your phone number on stream. The Dead Panda, hello, welcome. Yeah, spiders are great. Big fan. Ready for the food streams, indeed. Hey, what's up, Forrest? Hello. Huge ass upgrade, yeah. Yep. What year was it built? Well, if I give you that, then you're definitely gonna be able to figure out where it is. Recent. We'll put it that way. Casually buying a mansion. I mean, it's closet in San Francisco or mansion everywhere else. Proof that we donate too much to Anthony Writes Code. He's being greedy. Please. What was last year's property taxes? Yeah, now you're really trying to narrow it down. But anyway, I'm gonna be moving into that, but it's gonna be a lot of work. I need to buy a shit ton of furniture too, because like my current apartment is like 1 bedroom with 1 room. I have like basically the bare minimum of furniture. So it's gonna be pretty empty for a while. It's gonna be pretty empty for a while. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Reviewed this. Oh, I feel so bad. This has been chilling in my inbox for like a month. I just haven't re-reviewed it. Alright, we're gonna do this real quick. I think somebody who still has empty rooms in his house, you don't need to fill out the house with furniture. Yeah, but it would be nice to have like, you know, a guest room and like have couches in the living room and not have a TV on the floor. You know, those sorts of things. I gotta not completely embrace degen, but okay. Okay. Seems fine. I feel like there was something I had to get code change like a ghost. Oh, yep, I found it. I found it. Damn. There was something else though. I don't remember the other thing was. What the hell is this? Just prepare commit message. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. Good code change like a ghost chatting. And pre-commits. Get 3 mods, add this person's PR. M. Whitaker. Ugh, I hate when people do this. Don't do this. If you're ever gonna make a pull request, don't make it from your main branch. Make it from an actual branch. Because there's also a chance that I won't be able to modify their branch. But we can find anyway. Branch issue or main. Start by flatten everything together. Oh, that was the other thing we were gonna do. Pick F. No. Yes. Yes. Oh, then we're gonna have to change the commit message. What did they name it here? That name. Expose, prepare, commit, prepare, commit. Prepare, commit, message, arguments as environment vars. I'm gonna change this as well. Save. And then this. Assault! Good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 10 months. Good to see you again. Evening to you as well. 1 kitchen, 1 master bedroom with an en-suite kitchen for midnight snacks. I mean, it's a little more than that, but yeah. A PC work / game station every room so you can switch every day for work. Yeah. Imperial Q says a small apartment is not an excuse for a TV on the floor. Yeah, no, that's true. I was just saying, like, after I move, not having TV on the floor. 320 square feet? Oh my goodness. Ball pit room? Looks across the TV sitting on an old monitor box 6 years after moving. Maxil Hausino says, where can I find the Python calendar source code? Let me teach you a better thing on how you can find any source code from a module. Let me figure out what video is in there. Find Python source code. There we go. Finding Python source code. Well, the trick for this is you can do pydoc and then whatever module you care about. Well, I was running the calendar module. So you can do this, and then if you go to the very bottom, Shift G, you can find the file that it's in. And this is the calendar module. Ta-da! And this is the main function that it has here. Which is kind of annoying that it doesn't have a Sunday 1st version of the calendar. I don't know why it is Monday 1st. Maybe that'll be your contribution to CPython. Maybe you'll propose that there should be a Monday 1st version of the calendar printing. And then you'll add it and I'll be happy. I don't know. But yeah. And that video goes into a little bit more details on that. That was kind of just the TLDR of that. But yes. Okay. So we need to figure out what all change here. File's probably fine. This file's probably fine. That seems okay. This is the one we fix. Freaking main. Oop. Is there anything else we want to good code change like a ghost? Type of commit string to pass through as env. Yeah, this help message is off. That help message makes no sense. I feel like the argument name is pretty obvious. Typically, the third argument to get books prepare commit message. That'll be better. That'll be better. Sunday 1st is weird. I have always looked at Sunday 1st calendars. Cal-Y defaults to Sunday 1st even in ENGB. Is the thing? Oh, yo, this is like what I want, but less shit. Why do I not do this? typo chandler. There's also a syntax error on this line, so we would have cut it anyway. Sunday versus blasphemy? Well, it's what I'm fucking used to. Cool, seems fine. I gotta do this annoying push because they named the branch poorly. And then we can approve. Would code change like a ghost? Get used to it, goddammit? No. No smiley face. Tell me if it's fine. It says, what data type is epoch time in Python? Being like time.time? Be float. This? That'll be floating point. There's also time ns, which is integer. There's also... maybe there's just all of them. There's also monotonic, which is not epoch time. And monotonic nanoseconds, which is also not epoch time. Oh, I guess there's also GM time, which is also going to be float. Oh wait, what? No. This is a time struct. Epoch? I've heard people say epic and epoch. Admittedly, I've only done it inside of my head. Alright, good. Consistent. Fuck. God damn it. Why am I the British one? Every fucking time. Wait. No, they didn't completely fix this one. What? Wait, what? What the fuck? Yeah, it's alright. Where's the real fucked up one? Wait, the P's back! What was the one without the P? Is the P's back? Have they fixed this? Did this get fixed? Was it just trespass? I thought we just tried both of these. Yeah, no. There's trespasses, and trespasses. That one's different. That one fucking changed. Weird! Well, my little Maymay doesn't work anymore. I mean, it's still kind of fucked up, but... I've never heard somebody pronounce it as epic, yeah. But privacy? Yeah. Honorable behavior is favorable to one's color? Yeah. That's just spelling, that one's not pronunciation. Oh, was it trespassed? Oh, it might have been that. Nope. I think it was trespassers. I think it got patched. They nerfed the fuck up. Alright, this song's looping. I don't know the next one. Weird. I didn't think that would happen, but I guess sometimes it happens. Alright, let's see. We're at 2:30. I need to fill up my water. I am like an hour late on filling my water. I'm gonna do that real quick. I will be right back. We'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Oh, it's trespasses. Oh, yeah, duh. Is that one still fucked? Trespasses pronunciation. Okay, British. But what about American? Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. We found it. It's still fucked. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Forrest. Appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. How do you say route? I say route. I know it can be route. I guess, like, yeah, for roads, like Route 66, I'll say. But the route that I'm taking. A router. Network router. A route table. Hmm. Weird. Weird. Very sus. Double sus. Okay. Oh, right. I was gonna go over to a friend's house today. Supposed to message me back, but I haven't done that yet. Well, I might just show up and be like, hi! Hello there! How's it going? I'm here! But, I mean, they told me they would update me and they have not. Worst case, I'll just be like, yo, what's up? Hi, bye. I leave now. They have not replied. I guess it's okay. I say read when I say the number, but I guess the other way for everything else. Yeah, that's how I do it. But me if it's fine. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And Sempos is here. Hello, hello. Okay. Here's the part where I don't really know what I was gonna do today. But I only have like 45 minutes before I gotta leave anyway. Advertisement sounds weird in British. Advertisement? Yeah, yeah. Advertisement? I've heard that one before, yeah. You played global game. It's like Wordle for countries. I don't think we're gonna play games. I can do this. Might be kind of boring, but it might be kind of nice. It's gonna. This is gonna take like 15 minutes, but it's gonna save me like hours in the future. Probably. I mean, just given the number of times I've had to fix that fucking lib2.3 patch, I think it'll save me a bunch of time. Arc like Slavic, yo. I mean, that's kind of a funny message. How you doing? Thank you for the resub at 14 months. Thank you for your continued support. What is the Sticks of Butter? So, the Sticks of Butter website, this is a bit of a disgusting visualization, but if you were to gain or lose a pound of fat, a pound of fat is approximately the same volume and consistency as a pound of butter. So if you think about 4 sticks of butter, that's 1 pound. If you were to shed 1 pound of weight, you're essentially shedding 4 sticks of butter from your body. Or like me, because I've been stressed as fuck, but also still working out over the last like month or so, I have dropped 36 sticks of butter. So I want to make a website where you input like how much weight you gain or lose, and it just gives you a disgusting like pyramid visualization of sticks of butter. Disgusting, more like delicious. I mean, it's sure butter is delicious, but when you think about like, oh, I put on a pound of weight, you're like, oh, I took 4 sticks of butter and slapped it on my body. Like that's essentially what it is. Is it not made yet? No, it's my idea. The thing that I want to make. But it sounds disgusting. I like it. But like, isn't that just like such a visceral visualization? But it's also like fairly accurate too, which is I think why I like the analogy. But here's a more disgusting way to think about this. During the pandemic, I put on 100 sticks of butter. Actually, even it's like slightly more than 100 sticks of butter. Oh. Oh. I mean, honestly, I think it would help somewhat realize if you're going in the wrong direction. Yeah, well, I mean, it's just kind of disgusting either way. But better hurry up before someone takes the idea. Yeah. Before you make it, confirm the top Google result is not safe for work. Otherwise, it becomes a bit no-go. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. I've made any Hello World projects in PyScript. I have done stuff with the mscript and Python, but like a long time ago. I had used PyDide like years before PyScript was a thing. PyScript, like, I mean, it's cool and all, but it's not really. It's not. Most of the innovation is in PyDide and not in PyScript. Also, I used PyPy.js way back when. Way back when. It's super easy to gain weight without thinking about it, but seeing that butter would make you think twice. Yeah, that's the point. That's the point. That's the point. Like I said, Nanda, you're back. How's your bike ride? Wait, how are you back already? Or did you just not leave? What? What? You lost 9 pounds in the last month? Yeah, which is a little bit unhealthy. Except that, like, I don't know. I'm not eating significantly less than I usually would, but I have been working out more to, like, because working out is like a I don't know, coping mechanism. Because you get those endorphins, and yeah. As in, making sticks a better website might not be a lot of effort for something that would be difficult to share widely. It was already something. Wait, are you saying that that is already not a safe for work search? What could possibly be bad about this? All of the searches look fine. I don't know why. Yeah, these all seem fine. Butter isn't that disgusting. Get some images from liposuction for extra shock factor. Ugh, yeah. Or you could have like a toggle where it gives you like tubs of lard instead. Butter still in sticks. Yeah, it's fairly common as sticks in here. Yeah, there's bricks in 100 grams in clubs. Okay, so yours is almost 2 sticks. Is one brick. So I guess Sunday says I don't exercise much, so I didn't go that far. Oh well, it was good. Still enjoyable. R.I.P. my legs tomorrow. Well, gotta start somewhere. Keep doing it, and you'll be able to go further and further and further. Now I basically just bike until either I don't have any more time or I get bored. So I can kind of just go forever. Or bacon grease. Oh. See, the thing with bacon though is it's not pure fat. Bacon's only like what, 70% fat? What percentage of weight is fat in bacon? This is too specific. There's no way it's gonna tell me. Bacon contains a lot of fat. Bacon bad for you or good? What a, like, obviously, you know, definitely not good for you. Yeah. Fats in bacon. No, I want to know the overall. I want. It's like 38% protein. It's probably 38% protein and then like 5% garbage and then like, you know, remaining 50-ish% fat. So it's only like, you know, 2/3 ish fat at most. It wouldn't be the right ratios to stick into a. It wouldn't match the right volume bits. Alright guys, I only have 5 or 6 sticks of butter, maybe slightly more or less, because I'm a very small person. You have very low body fat. That's good. Anthony should do a. I don't know what that is. RAGBRAI. Ragbri. The fuck is that? Biggest 110% goodness. I have consumed bacon before. I have had it before. I liked the texture. I did not like the taste. I had extra crispy. The crunch was great. I love crunch, but smell of bacon just makes me queasy. I have 4-mile commute each day, so I get at least 8 miles a day. Nice, that's pretty good. Food name, nutrition facts. That doesn't necessarily tell you the actual composition, though. Like, it's gonna tell you like how much fat is in this particular amount. I guess that's kind of what I was looking for, so it'd probably work. 3 slices, 34 grams, 12 grams of fat. So this is even less. This is very lean bacon. Yeah, I guess it's just like 1/3 just non-nutrition, which makes sense, I guess. But yeah, how do you calculate how much fat you have with smart scales that electrify your body? Yeah, that's the 2 accurate ways to do it are volume displacement and electric scales. And even volume displacement's not perfect. Just like it can get the average density of your body, and then you can extrapolate based on what your skeletal mass should be and what your muscle mass should be. But yeah, the like fancy smart scales are really kind of the accurate way to do it. Only 1/3 non-nutrition. I mean, you look at like pizza nutrition facts. Let's see. Just want the fucking thing. Really? It showed me a thumbnail. Oh wait, no, those are over there. Okay. So 107 grams, 10 of fat, 2.5, so like 13, 1730. Oh, yeah. This is like 80 non-nutritional. Huh. That's weird. Oh wait, 35 grams of carbs. Okay, that's what I was missing. Wait, I totally skipped the carbs. Yeah, so it's like 40-ish% non-nutritional, which makes sense. Google says I made around 6 kilometers. Nice. I think I did. Let's see. Did 18 kilometers today. Just a short ride. I didn't have enough time. That's good for your health, but the combination of carbohydrates is bad. Fat is good for hormones. I mean, your body needs lipid chains to make some of the stuff that it needs. But I wouldn't necessarily say that fat is good or that carbs are bad or that fat is good with not carbs. Like, it's really all around balancing the vitamins and minerals you need with the necessary amino acids and not consuming more calories than you burn in general. Not particularly like this is a good thing, this is a bad thing. I forget where I got it, but I have a spreadsheet that's essentially just all the nutrition labels in one table. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Blackbox, welcome back. Good to see you again. This is the thing you were. Oh, is it a big old bike race? Oh, that sounds cool. How many melees? Holy shit. Okay, this is a lot. Okay, I don't think I've ever done 100 in a day, so this would be like the longest bike ride I've ever done in a day. And 7 days in a row, this would be pretty nuts. I think the climbs would kill me more than anything else, but might be a thing. When is it? July. I think I have a concert that I'm going to. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm in a concert this day. But maybe one here. As well as pineapple on pizza. I think pineapple's fine. Also, pineapple. Oh, have you ever had grilled pineapple? Oh my god, grilled pineapple is so fucking good. Like, ever so slightly caramelized. My smart scales make one care about their health and fat percentage. Will I be motivated more? I kind of know I have a lot to work on. Without seeing actual numbers, I ignore the problem. Yeah, well, it depends. It depends on the person. I'm the type of person where if I see numbers and I can make numbers go down, I will make numbers go down because I can make numbers go down. Like I whatever the fuck graph-driven development is, that shit makes me want to do stuff. Make number go bigger, make number go smaller. That ticks my talk. That's how I get shit going. So if you're anything like me, yeah, smart scale would certainly be a big motivator. I don't have a smart scale. I mostly just use a dumb scale and use that as my motivator, which works well enough. But I need to be manipulated somehow to get better. Oh, it could be an opportunity. Are you on a specific diet, or do you decrease something specifically? No, I don't. I'm not on a specific diet. I mostly eat like the same types of foods. For me, like I know exercising more doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to lose weight, because it's really like the easiest way to lose weight is to eat less rather than exercising more, because the amount of calories that you burn exercising actually isn't super proportional to the amount of time you do. Like, you know, my 52-minute bike ride today probably burned like, I don't know, 200 calories, which like one snack, and I've completely obviated that entire bike ride. Actually, how many calories? Let's see. Biking calories per distance. Let's just do that. 1 per 14, 48 calories per mile. Whoa. That's way higher than I would expect. Where's the calculator? Okay, so I am 183-ish. let's just say that I'm the 175. That'll underrate the that'll undercount the thing. Fixed speed. Are these speeds? What are these values? Can you just give me a fucking calculator? I don't want to read tables. Oh my god. I just want a calculator. Calculator? High accuracy calculator. Alright, here we go. Age. Height. In centimeters. 70 inches in centimeters. 178, let's say that. 178. Weight. 184 lebs in kilograms. 83.4. We'll just round down so that it undercounts. Bike speed. I usually do. Why is it now in miles per hour? I usually am either between these two. Let's undercut and say it's this. Duration. I did 52 minutes. Execute. That's a lot more calories than I thought it would be. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right at all. Seems off by a bunch. Global, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I wonder if it's the height that's off by a bunch. No, that'll just make it bigger, won't it? Yeah, it just makes it bigger. What? Huh. Oh, I could have done this and then not had weird units. Okay. Anyway, weird units, correct units, the good units. Zero Dan, hello, welcome, welcome. In your wallet? What? Oh, you mean bigger number in my wallet? Is that what you're saying? Is that what we're talking about? Pineapple is the best fruit both on pizza and otherwise. I hope you don't see your salary. Oh, is this the bigger number thing? Yeah. I got a smart scale and it even gives me the percentage of fat I have in more. So much data. Yeah. Yeah, more like 500? Huh, yeah. I guess with the calculator. Yeah, that's what it came out to. Cool. Make a script to read tables? Nah, that's too much work. Make your own calculator? Well, I would need to know the formula. Getting a scale then. Eating glass is tough because I get used to it. It's not like I want that. Brain does not like changes, yeah. Click the US circle. Yeah, I know, I'm the dummy. I'm gonna blame it on bad UX, but I'm the dummy. You can tell it's an American table because the weight started at 68 kilograms, went all the way up to 110. Yeah. Hey, what's up, the Armchair General? Hello, hello. Nomad Pixel, welcome, welcome. Right now, go have 2 burgers. Well, I don't eat burgers, so easy. Easy. Like British conventions for units, so we have an odd mix of metric and imperial. Oh. What do you got for me, Snipsy? Oh, yeah, me being dumb. Yep, nope. Yeah, you're right, 100%. I am Shivim, welcome, welcome. If you do FAQ setup, you can get that one. We seem to burn roughly 200 kcal per 20 minutes. Cool. Trail boss, I could use some help. You're like the 4th person today. That's just like, help me, please. But you only gotta tell us what you need. Then we can help you. But if you don't tell us what you need, we can't help you. I would start with what do you need? Because you the man? I mean, I'm not promising I can help you. I probably can help you. Help! I need somebody help, not just anybody. Andy, how do I recreate? Dude, the number of people that have come to me and been like, hey, so I have this great idea. It's basically a social network where you post messages and there's a chat client and people scroll through it all day. And I'm like, you're just inventing Facebook. I think I could get it done this weekend. It's like, you realize Facebook is a fucking trillion dollar company? Are you $1 trillion? And then have they gotten the big T? Users, 3 billion users. What's their market cap? Facebook market cap. That's their stonk. Okay, 500 million. Or 500 billion. There's an absurd amount of money that goes into making Facebook be Facebook. I'm not gonna be able to build that in a weekend. Says I just went full Linux. And I have OBS, but I do not see chat. This is what I do for chat. I have a separate window that I just open to dashboard.twitch.tv/popout/u/anthonywritescode/stream-manager/chat. You can also just go to twitch.tv/your-username/chat. That'll also work. I don't actually know what's different between these two. I guess the top bar. Yeah, I don't know why they have two different views for this, but that's what I do. Works well for me. We need that as a sound whenever somebody asks for help. Yeah. Yeah. An entertaining quote, but I won't make anything to the I need help asker. Yeah, it's true. Song's looking red. I mean, Facebook. Oh, of course. Don't know how easy it was for Mark to create the first version of Facebook. Yeah. I think that's the problem, is people get this like romanticized version of software startups that you can just make anything in a weekend. And even like, Precomment CI is fairly simple, but we spent like 6 fucking months making it. And by we, I mean me, but streaming it. Making a social network is not hard. Attracting users is. Yeah, that's true. Never go full Linux. Yeah. One is the viewer chat and the other is the stream version. There's a third version. There's a third version as well. There's the mod view. Which I don't remember how to turn on. This one? Yeah. Then there's the mod view, which I don't like. It just clutters it. But didn't know the chat endpoint exists? Yeah, it's great. It's great. It's the royal we, not actual we. Go full Linux. Dude, I actually, the few times where I've installed Linux to hardware, I've been pretty happy with it. Varun says, getting married this Monday. Yo, congrats. That's cool. I'm sure it'll go fine. I'm sure you won't have any problems. That's a big deal. Big deal. Do I want to do this? Oh, I deleted the wrong one here. Fuck. Oh wait, no, they're just both here. Hey, what's up, Pace? Hello. This song is looping too. Okay, so the things that I want to get done don't really fit in the time that I have. I have like a half hour. I can get this done in a half hour, but I think it's going to be kind of boring. The other thing that I want to do is actually finish my stream overlay stuff. But in JavaScript. Which is going to be a little different. Totally big deal. We've been best friends for over a decade. Nice! That's awesome. Easy Light says, every time I dual boot Windows and Linux, Windows was 2 hours behind on the clock until I manually clicked the sync with NTP after I rebooted to Linux. That's weird. Villasip says, that's our cue. Are you believing me? What you're saying? Oh, when I said JavaScript, that's your cue to leave? Yeah, yeah. But it's cool what it does. I showed you this before. Um, I think if I remember correctly, if I make this window small enough, it doesn't show my creds. I think. Oh, I gotta get off though. Where's the damn... I just use my other Twitch account. That way I don't actually care. I mean, I don't really care about this account either. Okay. Back to here. Actually, the username is anthonywritescode-vods. The channel is anthonywritescode. The way this works is it's a little form that you click submit. It gives you a data URL. And then you put the data URL in. And now, if you type emotes in chat, if you type emotes in chat, then they show up. And yeah. So there's no server component to this. It's entirely just a data URL. You basically can just have an overlay that you don't need a server, you don't need Streamlabs, you don't need any of that shit. It just works. And I want to replace my buggy Streamlabs ones with code similar to this, but we'd have to actually implement the whole chat parsing stuff, which isn't there yet. And it supports animated emotes, yeah. So you can Citrus Jam and get animated emotes, whereas the like Streamlabs one doesn't have animated emotes. Damonin, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. It just works, yeah, exactly. It just works. Oh, what is that the little boog one? My B mode's expired, so I have spooters instead. Oh no! The bees are gone! That's a big bummer. Oh, Kevin headed out. Bye, Kevin. Sorry, I missed it. Thanks for stopping by. Can't you write it in Rust? I mean, I could. Like, I'm scripting it somehow. Lester, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Wow, you got quite a few guns there, Snipsy. You got so many guns. They're kind of adorbs, though. Do I have any gun emotes? Oh, I do. I have 2 gun emotes. Here's my gun emotes. Those are mine. Okay, but anyway, at some point I want to replace my overlays by doing basically what I did here. But also have, you know, chat overlays. This is the actual goal. And then maybe even get like follow notification overlays. Oh, but TTS, how is TTS gonna work? TTS JavaScript. Text to speech in 3 lines of JavaScript. Oh, is there a speech synthesis API? Got a thing now. Yo. Okay. How does this work? Yo. Yo. Okay. That's cool. Are there other voices? Get voices. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, this might be easier than I thought. Oh goddamn, there are so many of them. 22 of them. How do I get... What? How do I try each of them? Do I speak with a voice? Is that how this works? Adds an utterance to the utterance queue. Speak. How do I make utterance? How do I get utters? Dot voice. Hmm? New voices populated menu. Oh, you mutate the voice into it? Gross. Gotta unmute this. Query selector form. Okay. Input. And a select. Theory, this is all I need for this? We're min-maxing HTML here. Why do I feel like it didn't work? This page is in Quirks mode. Maybe because it's in Quirks mode? Oh, it did supply them. It just took a while. Holy shit. Oh, I need a button. Is that make a noise? You just press enter? Oh, it is making noise, but I think my VM doesn't have sound hooked up, which probably makes sense. We'll do it outside of there. What? Why, you know? Why did it do it the second time? Oh, we only, oops. Stop it. Go back. I don't know why it only does it the second refresh. We only have 2 of them. We got Zira. What about in Chrome? So weird. What the fuck? Where are the speech engines? Quick to out the web scale video? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. CTS and JavaScript is easy. Yeah, but worst. Why is this? But Chrome. James Crumble, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Mr. Wormhole, how's it going? Slunix says, Anthony, do you have any courses on how to learn Python? Like, teach you how to learn? Or do you mean teach you Python? What the fuck? Why isn't this? Why? What? Where be the drop down? Yeah, there's 22 voices here. What the fuck? What? What? What fucking gives? Wow, this code is disgusting. What can we do to make this less shit? What is it? Document dot. What's the fucking onload? I know onload is not what you're supposed to do, but you're supposed to use on ready state change and whatever. Well, we're gonna do this real jankily. That's not the browser one. I don't understand. Well, that makes no sense. Is it document.body download maybe? What? And it's empty. Why is it not ready when the browser starts? Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a fucking... it's just wet, don't it? Why? Why does calling it twice change things? You have to async await? I literally copied it from MDN. I literally copied it from MDN. I don't know why doing it twice fixes it. That's so stupid. Why does it thinks this website is in Arabic? Alright. The first one, it's empty, and the second click, it's specified. I don't understand. I don't get it. Okay, we already did that one. What about Mark? Oh, Mark's alright. We already did 0. Oh, I got Google. Okay. We got quite a few in here. What about Japanese? Oh, that's where this is from! Oh my goodness. Okay. I understand now. So like some people have their TTS and they've configured it so that it makes everything sound quote unquote Japanese-ish. Window.speech-synthesis.on voices changed. Like a so? Is this what you're saying? Oh. That's cool. Oh, that's the wrong button. Okay. Put in trespasses? Yeah. Put in Japanese. Oh. Oh. Okay. This is doable. And OBS uses Chrome. That's easy. Cool. Thank you for that, Moomy. Appreciate it. Very, very helpful. We can assume it's a bug. I think it's because it's asynced in, kind of. The speech engine is loaded. Star Wars Duel the Fates with their Japanese TTS, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we know how that part's gonna work. Yeah, this will be enough. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to play with is more caps. Yeah. I wanted to see what it looks like. Um hmm. Hmm. Oh, I should also push this up because I don't think I've ever pushed this. Just so I don't lose all the work that we did on this. There was like, where is this file? More caps! Where is the other one? This one. As you can see, the messages aren't very useful. What are the other caps? Does this one trigger the user notice? The commands capability. Okay. But main. Bloop. Alright, so in theory, what were all of the notice ones? Clear chat, clear message, global user state, host target, notice, reconnect, room state, user note. Try me. Don't care about clear chat, clear message, unless you want me to delete one of your messages. Probably do that. I don't really care about that. We probably do at some point, but I don't right now. Global user state. Oh. Wait, does that mean the bot learns about what it is itself? Global user state. It didn't tell me. It didn't tell me who I was. Oh. Polfurctus. And FLA Nautico, I missed your follow. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know why we didn't get the... Actually, we don't have any of the tags here. Did it not like my cap? Oh, it said knack. Why did it knack? Oh, because it's colon, maybe? Knack is the bid one. So it's probably not supposed to have this here. Well, there we go. User state. Hey, Lamau. Here's the global user state. Okay, so now the bot can know its own badges. That's kind of cool. And it can get its own color instead of me hard coding it. Ooh. We got the room state too. Okay, this is kind of cool. Followers only is -1. Emote only is 0. Oh, and it tells you the channel ID. That's cool. Wait, it tells you the emotes too? What is this? Are these my channel emotes? I don't know why 0's in there. Oh. That's cool. There's a lot of information here that I didn't know about. The UUID ones? Yeah, those are just the new ones. So the old emotes are these integers, and then the UUID ones are the new emotes. So this is probably like A2C Bongo or something. We can actually figure out what it is. See you. Where is that emote? Oops. Yeah. Mibs. Mibs, we do this, and then copy you. And then open in the browser. 404. Huh. Oh, what that is then. Maybe that's badges? Maybe it's badges. Maybe it's badges. Maybe it's badges. Maybe it's badges? Oh, we got the badge URL. I don't fucking know. Whatever. I don't really care. I don't care. Yeah, I think it's a badge. Badge. No video /1. Your emote set, not sure the difference? Yeah, I don't think that one. I don't know. I'm super concerned about. Wait, someone followed. Was it? Did I have this running when they followed, or did I miss it? I probably missed it. Fuck. Can someone who's not following follow the channel? That way I can see the message in the chat. Hey, big lad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Wait, it didn't show up. Well, that's annoying. More ATI, you weren't following? Spoon, thank you for the follow as well. Not this again? Yeah. Refollow doesn't work? I guess not. But why didn't we get the user notice? Oh, I bet this is gonna be like the bot has to be a mod to get that. Let's see. Then to indicate the action of a user, like banning a user. No. I thought this was done. Yeah, no, we're starting over. I want to do it without having to run anything. That's one way to get more followers. I'm not concerned about follower count, but yeah. Banning Monk S? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna ban you. Oh. I could have sworn it was like notice. That one event's like subscribing. Which RC sends is a sub, resub, or gifted, or a raid. Oh, does follows not show up in here? That would be so disappointing. That would be so disappointing. We have everything else but follow. Oh, that sucks. Why can't they put follows in here? They have subs and raids. I could just remove follows, follow overlay from No, that wouldn't be fun. Ivazi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Well, that's annoying. And I'm basically out of time, so we're not going to be able to actually implement any of this time. Bummer. Okay, well, back to the drawing board, I guess. Even Twitch doesn't care about followers? Yeah. Exactly. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Bit of a short stream, sorry. I got stuff to do. I need 3.5 hours. That's actually not that short. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So check out those, subscribe there, etc. if you missed any part of the stream and you want to check out previous streams or this stream, I don't know what I usually say there. I upload my stream VODs to my second channel, so check that out as well. What YouTube? There you go. YouTube. There you go. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon, although sometimes I stream other times. I announce those streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what I'm going to do, and then we do it. And it turns out I didn't need to do this, which is great. But I learned something, which is even better. I also announced on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. The link is in chat right now. Why is the bot messaging twice? Oh no, we just both typed the command at the same time. Okay, see. But yeah, come join the Discord. It's a cool little place to hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. There's a bunch of smart people that can tell you stuff about things. And there's a bunch of fun social channels as well. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.